So hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. Once again I'm with Aygo Cross, Aygo X, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to have a look at what functions we've got on the rear doors. And there's not a lot going on here because this door is very simple. Child lock control is there, on or off. There's a little symbol on the door here, moulded in, telling you if you push the arrow down, child locks are now activated. The only other things we've got going on the rear door are door handle release, little grab for closing the door, and the mechanism for opening the rear window. There's not a lot going on in the rear door. It's really simple controls. Thank you for watching the video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing to the channel.